Sachin always felt out of place in his job. He spent years in a non-it role, dreaming of a more fulfilling career. One day, he discovered the world of technology and felt an undeniable spark of interest. He learned about Salesforce as a powerful platform for innovation and growth. The idea of becoming a Salesforce developer excited him. He knew he had to make a change, but the journey seemed overwhelming. That's when Sachin found a training program led by Samj, a mentor known for transforming countless lives. After attending an introductory session, Sachin felt a glimmer of hope. With each class, Samj introduced concepts that felt both challenging and enlightening. Sachin was motivated and dedicated, spending late nights reviewing material and coding practices. As weeks passed, doubt crept in. Could he really learn this new skill? The thought of failure haunted him. But Samj's encouragement reminded him that transformation takes time and perseverance. Sachin started working on projects, applying what he learned. He made mistakes, but each mistake became a lesson. Slowly, his confidence began to grow. He was no longer just a spectator in the tech world. The turning point came when Sachin built his first complete application. He felt a rush of pride and accomplishment that he had never experienced before. This project was a testament to his hard work. As the training progressed, Sachin began networking with industry professionals. He learned about job opportunities and the skills needed in the field. He felt the world of technology opening up for him. After completing the training, Sachin applied for his first Salesforce developer position. The interview felt daunting but exciting. He articulated his journey and passion for the role with newfound confidence. Weeks later, he received the call that would change his life. He had landed the job. The moment was surreal, all the efforts and sacrifices had paid off. The joy and relief flooded over him. Sachin realized that he was no longer the person who felt lost in a non-it world. He had transformed into a Salesforce developer. Now, Sachin thrives in his new career. He embraces challenges and continues to learn and grow. His journey shows that with determination and the right guidance, anyone can achieve their dreams.